Sun's starting to set. Like a winter wonderland. My poor car just a sheet of ice. Doors frozen. Nothing but ice. Ooh-wee. I'm glad I put my windshield cover on, but it won't come off. I got to stomp to get through the ice to get to my trash cans so I don't slip, hurt myself. If I can get to the road, I believe I can do something, but I don't have four-wheel drive. And if I try to get out right here and I slide, I might hit Jaden's car trying to get out the driveway. That wouldn't be good. So I don't know. I'm about to try something out.